Hey, I thought we'd do a fun unboxing video. I've never done one before. Here's Della. Are you ready for our unboxing?
Yes. You open it up.
Open it up. These are from Bowfections. There's some bows that I got from the other week when it was bow of the day every single day of the week. And that's too much to handle. What is it?
Go.
Bow! What's this one? It's a shaker. A fun piñatas.
Open this.
Alright, what else is in here? Some pretty paper.
This one. Go. Go.
This one's pretty. What's on it? Flowers. A fun sailor shape. Ooh, what do you have in your hand? A taco.
Taco.
A taco clip. How cute. Look at her cute face. The taco's wearing a bow too. How adorable is that taco bow? We love Mexican food. Do you see anything in these you recognize?
Goes.
No, these ones are clips, but do you know who that is?
Taco.
No, it's Mickey. Do you
Tiki.
see the Mickey ears?
This.
We got the Mickey clips. Super cute. Are you excited to wear these? So I tried to be good and not buy too many. So we got the fun shaker piñata fiesta one, taco clips, Disney clips, awesome, and fun floral sailor clip. Are you listening to that shaker? Do you like your bows?
Yes.
Can you say thank you, Sarah?
Thank you, Dada.
Thanks, Bowfections.
Thank you, Texas.
Thank you.